Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Code Melon. So in the previous video we have successfully made a get call and a post call. So displaying customer and creating customer was successful. Now in this video I'll show you how to upload an image. So for that we need a module called as Multer. So we need to first install that package. Let's install Multer. Once it is installed, we'll go to our routes folder and here we'll require multer. Const multer equals to require. Okay, there was some error installing multer. Let's install it again. Okay, successfully installed. Let's declare it here. Okay, now multer basically uses our disk storage. So const storage equals to multer dot disk storage. Inside that we'll first give the destination, so it will create one folder in which the images will be stored. So whatever directory you want, I'll give here src folder and then I'll create a image folder. Okay, now the file name, whatever files are coming here, that will be having a unique name. So we'll give three parameters: request, file and callback. Now let's return a callback function null. Whatever file will come will have file dot file name underscore the date on which it is uploaded and path dot extension. So extension name, original name. So this will be our new file name. Whatever files are coming, it will automatically change the name to this syntax. Let's save it. So we'll go to customer controller and here where we have created our create customer API, here you need to give request dot file name. Now go to the routes and we'll create one upload variable. Const upload equals to multer storage. Save it. We also need to install a path. Because here we are using path now, so we need to install the package path. I don't know what's happening. I need to run the command again and again to get it installed. So yes, it is installed. Now we'll require path here. To require path. Now go to the post method, and here you need to write one line. If we need to upload a single image, then we have to give upload dot single. If there are multiple images, then you can give upload dot field or upload dot array. So here, since I have only one images to be uploaded, I'll simply give upload dot single image. This has to be same as the name of the field, otherwise it will create an error. Okay, now let's run the file. Npm start. Let's go to Postman, and now here you will select form data, give first name, last name. Let's give it as Denver. Denver@gmail.com. Password, anything you can give. Age, say 30. Now here you need to select a file and go to your whichever file you want to select, you just select it. I selected a file here. Now let's send it. Okay, so we have successfully created a customer with ID here. Now let's get the list of the customer by using this get API. Okay, it is giving undefined. Let's see what's the error. File name. Since our file name has it is giving undefined. Okay, so here it should be field name instead of file name. Now let's save it and just click again the send button. Now a new customer will be created with an ID, and here you can see now it will give image. This will be the new name. Let's go to src, and here see we have successfully created an image folder, and there two images are also uploaded. So in this way you can upload images to your post method. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment below if you have any query. Thank you.